do-it-yourself dough. And it looks like I've got some Starburst Airs Gummies. So there's another popular candy that it's sort of named like this, but let's see what it looks like. They've got different flavors there: a lemon, a strawberry, an orange, and what is that other one? Strawberry. Oh, a cherry. So they got 4 flavors in there. Let's see how easy it is. Oh, the package opens really nice. So that's another thing. There's what they look like. They don't look like that other product, but let's see what they taste like. They're nice and soft. And so I think this is the lemon, and this would be the orange. And let's see if we can get the other flavors out here too. Okay, the lemon, the orange, it's like the strawberry, and what was that 4th flavor? Let's see, lemon, orange, strawberry, and I think the other one was cherry. So let's see if we can pick out a cherry in there. Is this? No, that would be the, well, maybe. So let's try the lemon first. Gooey. So they're new, and I can tell you, without even looking at the statistics on the back, there's no fat in this. There's probably a pretty good amount of sugar. No cholesterol. They taste fantastic. And they're a little bit bigger than the other ones. A little bit bigger. Look a little different. These two look the same. I don't think that this would last too long with me. So I'll give this a double thumbs up. And I guess everybody's got things that they kind of, have an affinity towards. And so, brand new product and a brand new double thumbs up. Comenta y suscríbete.